Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you how to delete your Snapchat account permanently. Just in case if you ever need to delete it, it is a very easy process for deleting your account. But the thing in here is you cannot delete your Snapchat account through your mobile application. For that you need to open your account in a browser. So let me show you how it can be done. First of all, open your account in a browser. I am using Firefox for this one. So once it's opened, you open a Snapchat page. Here you click on login Snapchat. Once the page is open, you log in to your Snapchat account. Type in your username, your password. Once you've done that, click login. Now, once you open your account, you can easily see your account. Once you open your account, you can easily see the list of data that you need for managing your account. Here at the very bottom, you can see on third, delete my account. Once you click on that, you will be asked to type your password again before deleting your account. Now, if you typed in the password, click continue, you will be deleting your account permanently. So let's click continue. As you can see, account deactivated. Your Snapchat account will be deactivated soon. In case of Snapchat, they will delete your account in 30 days time period. If you logged into your account before the 30 days, your account will reactivate automatically. Thank you. Hope this video was useful for you.